What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are having a great day. And right now I'm about to go to Kaiser because my mom, she needs syringes. I said syringes? Syringes or needles for her diabetes, and she ran out yesterday. So today I'm being a good son to go helping my mom out, and it's hot as I don't know what in this car. So let me just hurry up, go and get these real quick, and hopefully today I can get an Ethernet cable. Hopefully today I can get an Ethernet cable because I really want to stream Black Ops 3 and Fortnite and stuff, or just stream in general because I love streaming and I love playing video games. So I'm just like, why not? You know, why not just stream? But yeah, hopefully I can get one of those today. And yeah, I need to get my mom syringes, and I might, who is that? Oh, that's just them. Might go to a store or something, or I don't know. Really, I just need to get some syringes and hopefully get an Ethernet cable today. Yeah, let me go. It's hot in here. It's way too hot. Let me go. Just got the syringes. Almost walked out the wrong door. I was one thing ahead or one thing down, and I almost went on the nearest one. I would've walked hecka far in the heat, so I'm just like glad I didn't do that. But got the, oh dang, hold on. It's like, oh, too much lighting, hold on. Hold up. But yeah, just got the syringes, and now my mom can keep taking her medicine because she really needed it. Ah! Hot ass seatbelt, burn my elbow. Damn, that's the thing. I don't know why people want to come to Cali. Like, this literally all it is: heat, traffic, and retarded people. Like, I don't know why people want to come to Cali so bad. It's just, it's not that great, people. It's California. You guys are thinking like San Diego or LA or something. Like, when people say, oh, I want to go to California, like, even out there it's like kind of warm, but it's just, it's really not that great. Don't think you want to move out here or come out here vacation. And honestly, I've been to LA and all that places out there. I mean, it's okay, but it's really not like all that great that you guys think it is. It's really not. Traffic to go 5 miles will probably be like almost an hour. Like, it'll be like 45 minutes to go 5 miles. Like, it's just, don't come to Cali. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me, cause I want you and I need you and I'm down for you always. Baby, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me, cause I want you and I need you and I'm down for you always. So I just pulled up in Best Buy, and I swear, I'm not even kidding you, I swear I seen like Kim Jong-un's like little brother or something. Like, literally looked exactly like him. I'm not joking. Literally, I looked at him. He was like probably like 3, 4, probably maybe 4 spaces over. Looked dead on like him. Oh my gosh, I swear that was like his little brother, or like his clone or something. Like, had the glasses on and everything too, the little thin ass glasses he be wearing. Anyway, yeah, I stopped at Best Buy because hopefully I can find a Ethernet cable here. Hopefully they have one, and this is the same Best Buy that I got my camera from, so if they have one, they will be real clutch for that. They will be real clutch. Again, walking around, can't find this again, the Ethernet cords or cables, can't find it again. So I'm just walking around, just literally looking at games and stuff. Eventually I'm gonna ask, but nobody asked me if I need help. So as soon as I turned my camera off, some guy was like, oh, you need help with anything or something, da 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 da. And I'm like, as soon as I turned my camera off, I'm like, maybe he just didn't want me to record it or something, I don't know. But he said they were down on the last aisle, but still don't see anything. So, yeah. He said the last aisle, and it's gonna be on the left. And I don't see nothing but speakers and radios and mirrors and all that. So I'm like, where? But some cars stereo installation kit. Don't need that. I sure could use some speakers though. That could be very useful, but yeah, I don't see any Ethernet cords or cables, whatever you want to call it. So guess I'll keep looking. Well, again, after I turn off the camera, like 30 seconds after I turn off the camera, I find Ethernet cables, and they seem kind of long. I'm not gonna lie, they seem kind of long, but not as long as no 200-300 foot one, but they got some long ones. So got an $11.99 little gray cable. I really don't even know. Does it matter which one I get, or there's Cat 6 or Cat 5e, and I don't know. I'm not really an electronic person like that. I don't really know much about Ethernet cables, so I guess $11 will do. I don't. Insignia. I just need better connection for streaming. That's it. There's a $14.99 one. Nah. As Kimberly would say, nah. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna take the $11.99 one. I'll be cool with that. Might as well. Alright guys, so I don't remember the last time I vlogged. It's been like 4 or 5 days, something like that. And my light is out, unfortunately. It blew out. I've literally been sleeping without a light for like, I don't know, the past 5 days. Oh well, that's life. I'm living like Larry. Even though I'm not, because Larry don't live like that, but I got this. I got a freaking jury duty notice, and I'm just like, bruh, I'm not trying to sit in a building that's for like 7-8 hours just for them to tell me I'm gonna go home. Like, I'm not trying to do that. I wish I could just burn it, throw it away, but I can't, because if you don't show up, apparently you could go to jail for it. So I'm just like, fuck. I'm really not trying to go, but yeah, just got home from the gym. It feels weird vlogging without that light, honestly. It feels so weird. Like, it blew out like 5-6 days ago, and I haven't got one, got it changed, nothing. And I sleep on the opposite side of my bed too. You can see my cover is off because I'm a wild sleeper, but yeah, finally got Ethernet cable, gonna be streaming more. So like I said, if you guys want to follow me on Twitch, link down in the description below, my Snapchat and Twitter, so make sure you guys follow me, see what I'm doing, keep you guys updated on stuff, see when I'm streaming and everything. And but yeah, this is probably gonna be the end of the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, you know, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button. And G Fuel giveaway, 800 subs, 30 subs away from the G Fuel giveaway. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, share the video, tell your friends, tell everybody. And yeah, it's gonna be it for the video, guys. Really, Dora? It's gonna be it for the video, guys. You know, like I said, if you guys enjoyed, drop a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.